So, you just found out that you need to file a US tax return, even though you're not living in the US. Luckily, there's MyExpat Taxes. It makes filing a US tax return from abroad easier than ever. It's the one place to file all of your US tax forms, and it's specifically designed for US citizens and green card holders that live outside of the US. Yeah, our software takes care of all that stuff for you. And we will always maximize your big, beautiful tax refund for you. MyExpat Taxes makes filing easy. You can actually do it in 3 simple steps. First thing you do is create an account. In your personal account, you can always access your tax documents all in one place and have conversations with our expert support team. Then you answer a bunch of questions. The questions we ask you will adapt as you go based on the answers you enter, meaning you'll only be answering questions related to your personal tax situation. Then, once you've checked it all over, you submit and say bye-bye tax return and hello tax refund. Yeah, it's that fast! And if you get a little lost along the way, or have a tax-related question, our awesome support team, who knows everything there is to know about US taxes, will have your back. And while our software makes taxes simple, it doesn't mean it's only for simple tax returns. We deal with the most complicated US expat tax cases every day. So dump your accountant. And sign up with MyExpat Taxes to instantly e-file that tax return with the IRS.